it has not been the smoothest path, but after its release in the summer of 2015, Windows 10 finally overtook Windows 7 for 8 years as Microsoft's most popular operating system. According to Statcounter, Windows 10 ran on 42.78% of Windows computers in January 2018 versus 41.86% for Windows 7. In gross numbers, Windows 10 was installed on more than 500 million devices last May, which is impressive, although still short of the goal of 1,000 million that the head of Windows and Microsoft Devices Terry Myerson predicted in Build 2015. First and foremost are the updates, because Microsoft has already closed the main Windows 7 support. Therefore, although you will still get periodic security patches until the extended support for Windows 7 ends in 2020, it is not that far away. Should not expect more new features or improvements to it Win 7. Another reason is simply that Windows 7 is old. Launched in 2009, Win 7 was not designed for the kind of modern computing environments we have now. It does not handle high-resolution screens or multiple monitors very well. There is no integrated support for things like fingerprint readers or Windows Hello facial recognition, and trying to use a touchscreen on something running Windows 7 could be considered a form of punishment, cruel and unusual.